Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Amid the constellation of young minds at Hillgrange, I am Sheikh Ayan from class 9. Esteemed teachers and dear fellow students, today I stand before you to talk about a literary legend, a man whose words have resonated through the centuries, none other than the immortal playwright and poet William Shakespeare. A name that reverberates through the annals of literature and time itself. Born in the year 1564 and departing from this world in 1616, Shakespeare's existence was a span of brilliance that transformed the realm of English literature. He was not just a poet and a dramatist, he is regarded as the greatest writer in English language. Often called England's national poet, his title, Bard of Avon, nods to his birthplace in Stratford-upon-Avon. Shakespeare's literary offerings are a global treasure, translated into major languages. He gifted the world perhaps 35 plays, 154 sonnets, and 2 long narrative poems between 1590 and 1613, each a gem. Ben Jonson, a critic, proclaimed, "He is not of an age, but for all time." His final play, The Tempest, is a testament to his enduring creativity. In conclusion, heed the timeless words of William Shakespeare. Be not afraid of greatness. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrusted upon them. Thank you. Have a great day.
माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सुनो मुसाफिर हो, कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर। कदम कदम मिलाए जा, गगन गगन झुकाए जा, रख हौसला कर फैसला, तुझे वक्त बदलना है।
डरना तो बंदिया, रुकना तो बंदिया, राह पे चल बंदिया। डरना तो बंदिया, रुकना तो बंदिया, राह पे चल बंदिया। बंदिया रे बंदिया, बंदिया रे बंदिया, राह पे चल बंदिया। बंदिया रे बंदिया, बंदिया रे बंदिया,